Hey, in today's video, I want to talk about this virus, this COVID-19. I want to try and hopefully help you see, guys, that most of what you're being told mainstream is not what is going to help you protect yourself against a virus, whether it's that dangerous or not. So if you want to know how to stay healthy, how to actually protect yourself in an efficient way, stay tuned. I'm Sandra. I am passionate about holistic living, natural beauty from the inside out, and I am especially passionate about helping you figure out what is actually good for you and what isn't to help you feel better, live better, keep the doctor away. Today, what you're hearing, most of it is not helping you strengthen your immune system. It actually makes it weak. It weakens your immune system. First thing, alcohol. Those alcohol cleanser in front of the supermarket, in front of the shops. Stop using this, guys. Alcohol is aggressive to you. Alcohol is bringing your vibration down. For those of you who know me a bit, you know that everything that I talk about, it's also related to frequency. The higher your frequency, the better. How do you know that? It's based on your emotion. If you feel good or if you don't feel good. Everything vibrates at a certain frequency. Alcohol is something that is bringing that vibration down. So the more you put alcohol and those cleanser on your hands, the more you weaken your immune system. Your cells don't like it. Cells that are being exposed to isopropanol, so alcohol, scream. Like cells actually make sounds on a vibrational level. This is not woo-woo stuff that I'm talking about. It's been researched scientifically. Instead of using this cleanser, for example, that they have in the shops, if you do want to use a cleanser, do your own cleanser. It's so easy. Take aloe vera and you take a few drops of essential oils. That's it. That's all you need. Use that instead. Stop using alcohol that is actually weakening your immune system. Aloe vera and essential oils, it's easy. It takes you 5 minutes to do it at home. Then you have something that is efficient, but that is actually at the same time good for you. So that is the first thing. Masks are not 100% virus proof, if you want to call it that way. When in history have healthy people been told to wear masks? You need to expose your system to viruses and bacteria all the time. This is immunology. This is how you actually protect yourself from getting sick. By exposing yourself, your body will create antibodies. Your immune system will create antibodies. So you need to expose yourself. This is why after isolation, people who go out, if you don't strengthen your immune system, you will get sick. You will catch a cold or something. Staying inside all the time, you haven't been exposed to what's in the air. So wearing a mask is not helping you. Instead, here's what you can do to actually strengthen your immune system. Here is really a few solutions for you that are natural, because if you don't take natural, it's actually weakening again your immune system, that are actually efficient. Have your own hand cleanser, aloe vera and essential oils. You do a mix of that and you use this. Second of all, at home, get rid of all those toxic products for cleaning your home. Every time you use them, you breathe the molecules, and that again is weakening your immune system. Even if you're not aware of it, it's happening. It has an effect on the long run, especially if you have a sensitive immune system or a weak one, or if you're sensitive to toxic chemicals. Remove those toxic products from home to clean your home and switch to natural ones. Use essential oils daily on yourself. Essential oils have a very high frequency, and every time you put them on you, it's going to help you raise your frequency. If you're around a happy person, even though you may feel down, you're going to start feeling better. If someone is laughing, you're going to start laughing. It's like contagious. This is exactly what's happening. Your frequency is reaching the same level as the other one. This is what's happening when you put essential oils on you. They help you raise your frequency. So basically, they help you strengthen your immune system. This is a really good thing to do daily. It's a very good way to raise your frequency. One note here is pay attention to the oils you are choosing. I use young living. I've been using essential oils for 20 years. As far as everything that I've tried so far, they are the best quality on the market. And at the same time, those essential oils, you can use them at home for cleansing, also for cleansing your air. If you are into DIY, you can create your own products for cleaning your home. If you're not, I have one. I will actually put the link below. That is just perfect. One product, but I will do a video on this one because I'm in love with this product, so I want to talk to you about it, guys. Essential oils, it's multi-purpose. It's just amazing to raise your frequency, basically. Try to avoid processed foods. Processed food is like dead food. It's very low frequency. I'm not saying to totally avoid it. Depending on the situation you're in, sometimes you don't really have a choice. However, on a regular basis, try to reduce the amount of this type of food. Another thing that I truly believe is great and is something to do if you want to strengthen your immune system and protect yourself is to take supplements, like natural supplements, because the food we eat today is very poor in nutrients that we actually need. The soils are poor. We've exhausted the soils by all this mass production that we've been doing. Adding supplements in your daily routine is a good way to make sure you have everything you need to support your whole system. So this is what I wanted to share with you. To summarize, it's really about not buying into everything that you're being told mainstream, and it's not because there is a bottle of alcohol to spray your hand in front of every supermarket that this is the way to go. It's not. It really is not. Trust me when I say this, really. I could go into some quantum biology to explain you, but I don't think it would help. Just trust me on that. Instead, aloe vera and a few drops of essential oils. The one that are antibacterial are tea tree, eucalyptus is amazing, lemon is amazing, cedarwood is really good also. The blend I use from Young Living is Purification. This is my hand cleanser. Tiny bottle, I put aloe vera in it and I put a few drops of the oil and you have your hand cleanser. It's easy and this is really good for you. This is not going to harm you. It's not going to aggress your cells and your skin because alcohol on your skin is not the best. Try to switch to this and stop using those alcohol that you have everywhere these days. The other thing, so it's the mask. The mask is not really useful unless you love wearing a mask. Personally, I hate that. Try to think for yourself, basically. Just try to think logically and see that there's quite some nonsense in everything that you've been told. Removing toxic products from your home, using essential oils as much as you can, avoiding processed foods, adding natural supplements in your daily routine so you make sure you get the nutrients that you need. So that's it for today. I hope it helps. If you like the video, give me a thumb up, subscribe, and I will be talking to you soon. Bye!